Are you tired of struggling every morning trying to style your baby girl's hair? Do you want a hairstyle that is cute, neat, protective, and lasts all day without tears? Then don't blink, because today I am showing you one of the easiest and prettiest hairstyle for your baby girl that every parent needs to know. Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and this is my daughter Genesis, and on this channel we share easy baby girl hairstyle, hair care tips, and beginner friendly routines that actually work. Today's video is all about this simple but beautiful hairstyle perfect for toddlers and baby girls. It's gentle on the scalp, super adorable, and great for everyday wear. Before styling, preparation is key. Always start with clean, moisturized hair. Apply a leave-in conditioner and hair oil to seal in the moisture. This helps keep the hair soft, manageable, and protected throughout the day. I like to gently detangle using a wide tooth comb or my fingers. Now, let's move on to the styling. This part is simple and fun. I start by sectioning the hair into two parts, the front and the back. And for the front part, I will divide that into two equal parts. I make sure that the parts are clean, but that doesn't mean that they have to be perfect. Always remember that you are working on your toddler's hair and comfort is important. Next, I apply some hair wax to slick the hair down into a small ponytail. If you prefer hair gel, you can use that. It's still gonna come out great. Are you doing your baby girl's hair for the first time, or are you a beginner? Remember, you are doing an amazing job. Styling your baby girl's hair is not just about looking cute. It's about bonding, love, and care. Now, to achieve that smooth result, use a brush to brush down the hair. Don't stress about perfection. Every child's hair is different, and that's what makes it beautiful. Now, with an elastic band, I'm going to put that into a small ponytail. I make sure that it is not tight at all. Remember to always listen to your baby girl. If she seems uncomfortable, loosen the hair immediately. Comfort comes first, beauty follows. Next, I gently braid it. I take my time and braid loosely so it's gentle on my baby girl's scalp. These braids help keep the front neat and also protects the hair. Once we are done braiding the first section, we're gonna repeat the same on the next section at the front. We're gonna repeat the same steps on the left side. Here are some tips to help this hairstyle last longer. At night, protect your baby girl's hair with satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase. Avoid overstyling and the use of too much hair product. This hairstyle can last few days with proper care. If you are enjoying this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy baby girl hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this hairstyle or what hairstyle you would love to see next. We aren't done yet, but the hair is already starting to look cute. Do you see it? Once the two braids are done, I move to the back. I gather all the remaining hair together and secure it into a soft puff. I use a gentle hairband, and again I make sure it's not tight at all. The goal is a full fluffy puff. And again I am using the hair wax to slick the hair down. This gives it a smooth, clean, and polished look. Please let me know in the comment section the type of hair your baby girl is having. Is it a type A, type B? Is it 4A, 4B, 4C, 3A, 1A? What hair type texture is your baby girl having? Are you able to manage it? And what kind of product are you using to manage it? Is it working for you, or you are still looking for something better? Please let me know in the comment section. Now it's time to add the 2 braids at the front to the ponytail, just like I'm doing here in the video. I'm using an elastic band to do that. Once you are done, this is how it should be looking, all put together, looking very cute. Now I'm just gonna play with the poof until I get my desired look. Next, I'm gonna do the edges with a small brush and hair gel, just like I'm doing here in the video. And finally, I'm gonna add some hair accessories. This step really brings the whole style together and gives it that adorable finished look we love on our baby girls. We are all done now. The hair is looking cute and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video and comment. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.